1:45. I just got out of bed because I wasn't sleeping anyway. Might have got sleeps of an hour or two at a time. But it was a struggle for me. Mary slept good. So this is a brand new privy here. The old one's up there. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, this is a nice privy. You got really nice privies in Maryland. Going down to get some water. It's chilly. I woke up at 5 to pee. And it was not that cold, but it's cold right now. I'm sure it's below freezing. There's a road not too far from this shelter, and it's a fair amount of road noise. Some good firewood. I'm gonna make a fire because it's cold. We had a raging fire last night. Really good one. Didn't last very long, but on the access trail for the privy. Anyway, we'll check in later. Well, we're finally on today's trail. Well, good morning. Day 2 on trail. Kind of late. It's about 10 to 10. I think we've been up for hours. I have anyway, but met a guy at the shelter last night and made a fire this morning and just kind of eased out of camp. It's pretty nice. Another gorgeous day. A little chilly last night about dusk or daybreak rather. But not bad. It's supposed to be in the upper 40s today, maybe close to 50. So we did 9.6 yesterday. We're going to do a little over 8 today. We probably overdid it yesterday, but ow! Okay. That was a phantom old age pain. It went away. The first shelter we got to yesterday was like 4 miles in, and we're just not going to get, settle in at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So we got in late last night, dusk, 5:30 I think, which is good because I don't really do well going to bed early. I think we got a road crossing here. I think we're heading to, I don't remember, it starts with a P. This shelter was pretty nice. It was pretty close to this road though, which a lot of road noise. Seems like we're not all that far off the beaten path. But anyway, we'll see you down trail. It's 1:14. We've gone 3.6 miles. It's pretty killer. So we're eating lunch. right here on the trail because we're out of gas. So, haven't been filming much today because this short little 5.5 miles we've done today has absolutely kicked my hiney. But there's a view here. I'll show you guys. You know, Maryland is absolutely gorgeous. Privies they look relatively brand new. They're super well maintained. The shelters are the same, they're gorgeous. Problem is the water. The water is flowing. They're just 4 or 5 miles apart. You gotta carry water a long way here. We just stopped for water half a mile ago, and I'm carrying an extra 2 liters at 4 or 5 pounds. Some pretty nice cliffs right there. There's some cliffs a mile down from where we are, called Appalachian Cliffs. Looks like the weather's changing. I don't know what that freeway is down there. I don't know if you can see it. See the cars moving. It's been rocky like this all day. I mean, serious rock gardens. Pretty nice view out there too. What's it called? Black Rock Cliffs? Black Rock Cliffs are about, I want to say we're a little more than 2.5 miles from the next shelter. We may or may not make it. We pushed pretty hard yesterday, and we're paying for it today. So we'll catch up on a little bit. It's 5 o'clock again, and we're just rolling into our shelter. 8 miles today. And it really kicked us pretty hard. This shelter looks old. It's like way off the trail. This thing is old.